Configuring Internet Protocol. Internet Protocol, or IP, is a part of TCP/IP that, among other things, governs IP addresses. The IP address is the cornerstone of networking. It defines the computer or host you are working on. Today, every computer and many other devices have one. An IP address allows each computer to send and receive information back and forth in an orderly and efficient manner. IP addresses are like your home address. Just like your home address identifies your house number and the street you live on, and an IP address identifies your computer number and the network it lives on. A common example of an IP address is 192.168.1.1. Now, every IP address is broken down into two parts. The network portion, in this case 192.168.1, which is the network your computer is a member of, and the host portion, which is the individual number of your computer, differentiating your computer from any others on the network, in this case is 0.1. How do we know this? The subnet mask tells us the subnet mask is a group of 4 numbers that define what IP network the computer is a member of. All of the 255s in the subnet mask collectively refer to the network portion, while the zeros refer to the host portion. This is illustrated in table 1.1. This table shows a typical class C IP address and the default corresponding subnet mask. If you were to configure the IP address of a Windows computer as 192.168.1.1, Windows would automatically default to a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. If any other computers would like to communicate with yours, they need to be configured with the same network number. However, every computer on the same network needs to have a different host number, or an IP conflict might ensue. However, as a talented administrator, you learn how to avoid IP conflicts, and you learn some tips on how to do so in lesson 4 and 5. So keep that in mind. You want to avoid IP conflicts like we had much trouble with in the past. You can do so to learn some tips in lesson 4 and 5. Now, table 1.1, an IP address and corresponding subnet mask. Type of address, IP address, subnet mask. First octet, 192. Second octet, 168. Third octet, 1. Fourth octet, 1. Subnet mask, first octet, 255. Second octet, 255. Third octet, 255. Fourth octet, 0. IP addresses are actually 32-bit dotted decimal numbers. If you were to convert an IP address's decimal numbers to binary, you would have a total of 32 bits. It is considered dotted because each number is separated by a dot, although they contain 4 numbers, each of which is a byte or octet. For example, 192 is an octet and its binary equivalent is 111.0000000, which is 8 bits. 168 is also an octet, and its binary equivalent is 10101000, and so on. Adding all 4 octets together equals 32 bits. IP addresses are usually applied to your network adapter, but can be applied to other devices such as switches, routers, and so on. It's the fact that the device or computer has an IP address that makes it the host. Let's configure IP on our Windows 10 host now. Remember that other Windows computers will be configured in a very similar way. Configure IP addresses. To configure IP addresses, perform the following steps. 1.1. Access the Ethernet Properties dialog box. 2. Click Internet Protocol version 4 and then click Properties button. The Internet Protocol version 4 Properties dialog box opens. Write down the current settings, if there are any, so that you can return the computer to these settings at the end of the exercise. 3. Default. To obtain the IP address type,